So it's another week and another little update, and we're going to do our little mashup. So this week we're going to have a look around at what's been going on, what we've been doing, and a bit of an update. So we're just getting over the Easter break, and normally, it goes a little bit quiet over the Easter break, but we weren't really busy. It had gone quiet up until the Easter break, and then it went mental. It went really busy. Not what I expected at all, not what I thought was going to happen. So nice signs again. We're going to be doing on Sunday's video a bit of a market update. So we're going to have a look at sort of what's been going on with the market, with prices, are they going up, are they going down, and generally what's been happening. We've got our main front sales line fairly full again, no empty spaces at the minute. A few more motorhomes, but as I say, they're hopefully going to be going over to our new site. We've got a few that have been sold over the bank holiday, so they're just starting to get PDI'd and some checks going through, so they're all getting ready. Got a few more vans that have come in, so we've got a nice Swift over on the side there, we've got a nice Coachman, got the Lunar Clubman that was still not sorted out just yet, and I think the others are part exchanges. So going through getting the vans that are due out this weekend ready. Little Discovery still. I think we had quite a bit of interest in that over the weekend, but just not gone just as yet. So we've got a bit of a heart transplant going on. Got an old roof light that is damaged now. This is a wind-up one, and basically the mechanism's gone completely. So luckily we've got a spare unit, so what we're going to be doing is literally completely swapping the inner guts into the new one. So hopefully it all goes to plan. Now, something that we've come across today, and it's just if you've got no power coming into your caravan, and sometimes you can be thinking have I got no power coming in, is it a problem with the caravan? Now, one way that you can double check whether you've got 230 volt coming in or not, so if you're plugged in on site and you've got no 230 volt coming in, there's a little test button on our RCD here, and when we press this little test button, our main switch should flick out. If when we press our little test button that doesn't trip out and we've got no 230 volt in the caravan, it means that we've got no power coming into the caravan. So most likely either a fuse on the site, or the site electric isn't giving us the power, or if we're plugged in at home, the fuse in the plug might have gone, or the actual breakers in the house for the house electrics may have tripped out. But when we press that in, if nothing is happening, it means we've got no 230 volt coming into the actual caravan itself. So a nice little van just come in, good little 5 berth van. So this is going to be coming on sale very soon. Nice big seating area to the front, side dinette, and then we've got bunk beds at the back. So hopefully within the next couple of weeks this should be coming on sale. So beginning part of the year we extended our front sales area, and it just gives us the ability to be able to still have our main or our first line of caravans in down this side here, but it then gives us the option just to have a few vans stacked up ready for the workshop if we've got vans in the workshop, but also still get past. So it just gives us that extra little bit of room, and it's made a massive difference just moving our fence line back onto our boundary. I think we can get a few more caravans in on sale, but the main thing is it just frees up this front area, just makes it a little bit easier as our workshop's at the back there. So we've been buying a few in this week, this week. So we've bought in the Swift Challenger, we've got the Coachman Festival that came in, the Lunar, we're just finalising the deal on that, so that should be coming up for sale very shortly. We've done our inspections last week on that, so that's all finalised now. And then we've got another one on Friday that we're going out to collect, so that'll be coming in. So we're just stocking back up again. As I said, it's picked back up again on the sales. I didn't think it was going to be that busy on the Easter sort of break, but it was busier than I thought, so good signs. As I've said previously, the market is up and down at the moment, which is just returning back to a standard and normal market. We're going to do a little bit more in depth on that on our Sunday video, I think, and we've got a tip coming up on Sunday as well, so don't miss that. Few vans due to go out this weekend, so we're just waiting on finance payment on the Swift Charisma. The Eccles 635, that's due to go out this weekend. The big Bailey Porto, that's going out this weekend, and we've got a motorhome coming in part exchange for that, so we'll have a look at that next week. And then that's about it. I think next week we've got a few more due to go out, but that pretty much wraps up for this week's video. We've not been doing a huge amount ourselves, just because of the bank holiday and the kids being off and what have you, so probably not quite as much as normal, but hopefully that's just give you a bit of an insight into our week this week at the Caravan place. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark at the Caravan place.